Reba's Reading Treasures. It's Reba to the rescue. Come on along and read this sensational story with me. The title, It's Your Happy House Cleaners. Hello, friends. Cousin Kyrie and I are in the home cleaning business. We are ready to work. We have our lists of homes and our laptops so that we can view our online schedule. It's time to load up the SUV with our cleaning supplies and begin work. We have arrived at our first home. We are discussing the cleaning plan with the homeowner. We are now in this customer's home office. Kyrie is taking care of the dusting, and I am cleaning the glass with our eco-friendly glass cleaner. After cleaning the entire home, our customer has inspected our work. He is pleased, and now Kyrie and I are getting paid. Our next customer has a beautiful home that is a bit messy, so Kyrie and I are here to clean it. We are dusting our customer's bedroom furniture and straightening her shoes. We have another satisfied customer here. This is one happy customer who has paid us in full for our house cleaning services. Did you know that we offer laundry services for our valued and busy customers? We also iron clothes for our customers. Kyrie loves to vacuum the carpets and rugs. I love to clean kitchens. Kyrie and I work as a wonderful house cleaning team. Our day is done. We have money in our hands and happy customers who will hire us again.